Component 1, it was about the analysis of the potential, what is produced in and have been produced in the area. Now, three main points. Three main points we have had observed in our component 1. Remain that component 1 has 3 subcomponents, but all 3 subcomponents are basing on analyzing. You analyze everything. You analyze, even if you analyze the products have been produced in this area, even if you are using that bucket to see the income, to see your expenditure and income, but you still analyzing. The third one, you are analyzing the gender issue, how the women and the men are evolving, how power each one has in your market access, in your value chain. But you understand, you still analyzing. The 3 concerns point we have. The first one is that you make a critical analysis on the current, past, production and business according to gender resources and stakeholders on the market, just to inform your future products, your future production. That is the first point we mentioned on our component 1. Analyze the current and the past, production and market, just to inform for the future. Okay, thank you. I have already finished the first point. The second point we have is to analyze the cost, the current cost production, including the unpaid fair work for women. There, when you are analyzing, it's according to the cost. Remember, you can use that tool we have learned. It's a rate bucket, but you're analyzing what I'm going to, your investment. After analyzing the product, this product is good in this area, but analyze the investment, your expenditures, and then the income. The third one, just we come again on analysis. Still inform you that component 1, take always analyzing. You need to analyze how the women are involved in the past current production and in what extent the current production are meet their expectation and remained. Even if here we analyze both gender, men and women, but as action aid turns around the women, you analyze, yes, in terms of gender, but most of the time you still have analyzing about the women, how the women involving in. Now, some recommendations, even if are not written here, we would like to ask if we have 3 subcomponents. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Is it possible that the first one and the third can be combined and can make in one analysis? Because the first one, we analyze the products and the area. And the third one, we analyze the involvement of gender. Why not when I'm analyzing, I can analyze both at the same time?
Great.
Okay.
Could you write that down and put it on the inputs to the handbook?
Yes.
That would be very helpful.
Yes. And then the component 1 can have only 3 subcomponents instead of 3. That is our recommendation on the components 1. I think, thank you very much for
very good.